Hello and welcome to my channel. This is How to Scholar. So today we'll try and apply for a tax or compliance certificate for NAPSA with an account that's got pending returns. Okay, so let's just go on employer, then returns. So from here, let's just go to this one here. Okay, as you can see, so this one is the one that we actually want to submit apply for a compliance certificate. So if we check how many returns are pending, so let's check their contributions without returns. There's literally nothing. Then top up returns, nothing. New returns. Okay, so this is actually showing how many returns haven't been submitted for. As you can see, there's about 5 returns that haven't been submitted for since January. So now let's go on compliance. Okay, so as you can see, it says application for compliance certificate failed. Kindly resolve the anomalies detailed below. If you have any challenges, email compliance certificate at napsa.co. whatever. Yeah. So out of everything, so the missing contributions are the ones that haven't been submitted for. So without doing that, you cannot proceed until those returns are submitted for. Okay. So that's how you check whether it's compliant or not compliant. If there are any penalty waivers, you go under penalty waiver, as you can see. So this is How to Scholar. You can just click like and subscribe to see more future videos like this. See you next time.